Aki at saka siyempre si Christmas is playing very well sa defensive side of the court, ano?
Pag dito sa kabila, 4 na scorers ang meron ni Coach Ato, yung Cabagnot, Santos, Black, and Ontiveros. You have one rebounder, but that's Jay Washington because of it.
Yes, point.
So, hindi makapagal. Replacing natin ito lang.
Inbound Santos to Arwin, balikan dito.
10 seconds left. Cabagnot, against Mario West. Pumabalik West!
Target at 3 points. Geraldo has 5 seconds to answer back. Very manageable para dito sa Meralco, pero Kasagi keeping it on 1 point lead, 1:12 left.
What a three-point shot coming from Alex Cabagnot. First time in this game na nakalamang ang Petron.
Big. That was big. Partner with Mario West in his face. Naka-challenge.
Oh, parang Nostradamus. Pag ganyan ang sitwasyon, ibibigay mo kay Alex Cabagnot.
Ang pinakahirap naman na, parang first quarter, itong Petron, itong Meralco, no? Tapos somewhat, 3-4 minutes, biglang pumarangkada.
Cabagnot playing like an import. He has 29 points. Pero pinaka-importante dyan, yung panglaman ng Petron nanggaling kay Alex Cabagnot.
Yes, kaming bagay, partner. Pero now, ito, makikita natin 29 points. Then, at least 5 of 6 from the 3-point area. No? Pero now, interesting to see what both Ryan at Gregory will do of this coach. Ito, makikita, Mario West in the back.
3 seconds to go. West, 50 go. For Mario West. Wala na tayo sa Petron. 1.6 seconds to go. Cabagnot ang ka-level. Henry shot! Akala ko papasok pa. Woo! Wow!
Wow!
What a game! And Mario West down on the floor.
Sakto lang yung trap niya. Sakto lang. Tapos na. One great shot galing dito kay Mario West.
Mario West. Tinamaan ng clamp, no? Tinamaan ng clamp.
Yes, nakahawak lang siya dun sa may cap area, cap season niya, no? Tapos na very serious naman para hopefully para dito kay Mario. Inuus na niya, partner, ang point ni Mario West. After the last basket, naka-40 na, 40
Shot coming from Mario West. Hindi lang yung bola. Hindi na to. Pasok for Mario West. Ang kanyang total output, 39 points. And what a way this guy would end his first Ika visit dito sa PBA as an import.
That's correct, partner. What a game galing dito kay Mario West. Fitting finish para dito